So as you can see, after taking it apart, there are all these cables that are going to the LCD. Yeah. So the question is, what is what? So this is the main LCD, all the signal to the LCD itself for sure, because you have many signal on these wires, and you have this one and this one. So one of them is digitizer and the other one I don't know. So what I will need to do now is to try somehow to disassemble it. We have a sticker on this one, and just maybe the bad connection, which I don't really believe this is our case, because it's never that easy, never ever. But anything can be. So I will try, maybe if this is the digitizer, maybe I can try to, now you can see there is an option that maybe the cable is tore somehow, or this is of course a real electronic problem, not electricity. Maybe electricity, but maybe electronic. So I will now there is no way that this is just contact. I don't believe. So I will, you just pull this up, and then maybe I will take a picture how it goes in order to know the polarity of the cable to be when I'm trying to connect it again. There is additional cable, probably this is the LED or fluorescent that light this LCD. By the way, interesting, we can see that we have another LCD connection. So this is like a generic board to probably many types of LCD. And the question is how this connector goes off with a lot of power. Okay, so this is the main board. Yeah. Now we'll move this away. Whoa, you do see this? We have another tiny board here, this one, which maybe it's the digitizer, just maybe, and maybe this is our problem, and maybe something with this chip, or I don't know. But yeah, I'm just trying. I have no clue and no idea what can go bad with this one, but we have to get to the LCD itself. So I will keep on taking everything out, all the screws. Yeah. At the end we will get to the LCD somehow. Okay, so this, there is another one here. And voila. Wow, this is the LCD. Probably I will never ever be able to assemble it again. So how it goes? I think it is just glue. Yeah. And I don't mind to break it, because yes, it is glue to this plastic case, so almost impossible to fix it. But yeah, interesting. I don't think that there is an option, but anyway, yeah, we'll try to use more force. Wow. Aha. Okay. 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 Look at this. This is, I don't know what it is, but there is a connector here, and there is like maybe a reset button. There is a button here. So this connector is not a part of the game of the LCD. And here our LCD. So yeah, now we can conclude. We can conclude how it works. This is the backlight for sure, 100%. These are all the signals. You can see all the electronics and many signals that actually do the image. And this is the digitizer that I try to explain. Now let's see what we can learn from the digitizer. Actually nothing. So it is, there is an option that this cable is torn in one of the signal or some of the signal or something like this. By the way, I can see that if I will remove the LCD, I can actually replace the digitizer itself, because I see another layer on the top of the LCD. So if I will take it off, I will probably be able to replace just the digitizer. But another option that this is actually 100% okay, and the problem is in the circuit here, because this is connected to this board, and this board is actually doing all the digitizer data to the main board. So this can be the problem, or this can be the problem, or the cable can be the problem. So it is very complicated. But for now, I think this is all. Thank you and bye.